Hi, my name is Kayla Robbie, a product review expert and bargain hunter. Today I'm going to review a very special product you are looking for. I have analyzed all of the features, specifications, and performance of the product, and now I'm going to review the product in detail. After watching my review, you can decide whether you should choose the product or not. Let's go and watch the review with a presentation.
BestToolsBrand.com presents Integra 20 Oscillating Multi-Tool Quick Release Saw Blades. Integra is a well-trusted tool manufacturing company all around the world. Our second best choice 20 Oscillating Multi-Tool Saw Blades comes from them, which is one of the most familiar and sold blade sets of the Platinum Blade series. It comes with more blades in its box set than the first selection, but, mainly because of user appreciation and cutting performance graph, we put it in the second position. It's one of the best multi-tool blades, but it's true that it's staying one step back than the first one in few aspects. However, it's better if we discuss the excellence of this unit. Concerning strength, this no more a difference than the Ryker Hardware 15. Platinum Blades 20 is made of high carbon dense steel material, but we think that these B-metal blades are not that much effective to cut the hardest metals like the best selected option. It has quick release feature that meets most of the quick release system as well as the hex screw system, which is pretty old. This is a good feature. We know that the Ryker Hardware 15 has the same feature, but the manufacturer didn't say about the compatibility with the old hex screw system like this one. Till date, it has been sold more than the first selection, but around 80% users have stated high appreciations, which is 5% less than the first one. It's one of the reasons why we took it as our second best selection. It's probably one of the most affordable sets of multi-tool blades Amazon currently selling. Not only in Amazon, but also in every trusted retailer. This is maybe the one which offer bulk of cutting blades at this pricing. Compared to other cheap multi-tool blades, it include more blade accessories. As said already, this is not a good choice for harder metal as per user experience and our analysis. Someone might say that our claim isn't right. We don't say anything in counter because we think the case might be different sometimes. One of the most common complaints against the unit is the inconsistency of the blades, where the manufacturer must pay attention. Some users have complained that the description of the product didn't match with the reality.
Thanks for watching the review. As I said at the beginning of the video, I'm a bargain hunter, and I have found a big discount for you. Please have a look at the description below and find your special big discount link today.